Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and More. And today's quick question for us is how fast will it take to get a business loan once you register your company and you have your EIN application completed? And what is the process? In my experience, you should have at least 2 to 3 years of business history before you can get loan from any major banks or even small banks. All those banks need at least 2 to 3 years of history of revenue, transaction, profit and loss. I would say profit, not loss. And still, they will link all those things to your personal history and credit and earnings because it's a new business. Nobody wants to take a risk on that. As far as the loan is concerned, I will not recommend to go for private lenders because unless you are capable of reading those documents and understanding fine lines, this is not recommended to have financial obligations when you are starting new business or new venture. Uh, Another thing is that you need to have relationship with 2 or 3 banks. That's my experience. You should have relationship with 2 to 3 banks so that you can have some relationship managers with whom you are working in person and understanding how they finance and loan to their business customers. And that also gives you an opportunity to understand what their underwriters are looking for. Most of the time, it's a credit manager and the underwriter who will decide whether your risk profile fits their you call financial criterias or not. If you fit in their profile, they will definitely give you a loan. If you're not, then it's very difficult to get any approval from them. The best bank to do is the Chase Bank. They have, I would say, they have very good understanding of system between your personal as well as your businesses. They analyze all scenarios to give you the best decision what they can do. You can try Citizen Bank, you can try any national bank or local banks in your area. But the key is that you need to have business running for 2 to 3 years. Anything less than that, it will be very difficult. You can go for traditional loan, you can go for SBA loans. SBA loan are little easier but longer in process and you need more documentation for that because bank can give you SBA loan only because those loans are secured by US government. So for example, if your business doesn't perform and you close it down and still there is loan, that loan can be paid by US government. But still those loans require lot of documentation. So you should be ready for that. And the amount will be not that much. It may you might get 50K or something like that in the similar range. In case you are looking for import export business and you need some amount of money for a smaller period of time, then line of credit is a much more safer way to use it. You can take a personal line of credit or business line of credit and you can expense those things in your business anyways. But that is a better way rather than having a financial obligation for a longer period of time unless you are borrowing for machinery or something which will last for many years. So these are the things which I have felt experienced. Let me know if you have any specific question. You can actually have, rather than loan, you can actually have business credit cards as well. Most of them offer around 12 to 18 months of 0% APR kind of thing, which is basically nothing but getting a loan at 0% for 12 to 18 months. That's a good way to have some flexibility on buying and expensing your material inventory or anything. So consider that as well. So traditional loan, SBA loan, business credit cards, those are the primary thing, and line of credit. 4 things you can consider for expanding your business. Thanks. Let me know and please like, share, and subscribe. that will help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.